Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the best chicken Chipotle burrito wrap. Okay, now I'm going to show you my ingredients and we'll jump into it. This right here is just some yellow rice, all right, some cilantro, some tomatoes, this is some jalapenos, some onions, white onions, 2 cloves of garlic. This is a half an onion, by the way, and a tablespoon and a half of jalapenos, and this is like a cup and a half of tomatoes diced up, and I have a can of black beans. Now I rinsed mine off, so you may want to do that. I have a lemon, half a lemon. I have some cheese. This cheese right here is Kobe cheese. And here's my tortilla wraps. Right here, these the big ones. And here's my chicken right here. Now these are chicken thighs, skinless chicken thighs, boneless and skinless chicken thighs. Now I'm gonna tell you all I put in this, okay? I put like 3 tablespoons of oil, which is some olive oil in there. I put a half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. I put a teaspoon of parsley. I put a half a teaspoon of salt. This is coarse sea salt. I put a half a teaspoon of granulated onion. I put a teaspoon of garlic in it. A half a teaspoon of cumin, granulated, of course. And I put a tablespoon of Chipotle chili pepper, grounded up, okay? That's what this is. And this stuff right here costs a lot of money, guys. I'm gonna tell you that now. This thing right here cost me $24. I got that at GFS, so you can probably buy you a little one or something. So, but first thing we gotta do, we gotta make up this sauce before we get into anything else. Because it gotta chill. Alright. And so some people don't like onions in my family, so I'm not gonna put the onions in there, but I'm gonna take this cup and a half of tomato, put that in here. I'm gonna put the jalapeno up in here. That is like 1 jalapeno chopped up. Garlic. Put that in there. Give me something to stir this up with. And this is cilantro. This is like a cup, chopped up. I rinsed it off and chopped it up. So we're just going to put that up in there. If you want to know why I'm doing this, this is going to be like a Pico de gallo. So we're going to come in here with a little granulated onion. Like a half a teaspoon of that. Come in with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. That's it. Let's see what else we got here. We don't need nothing else, I don't think, other than this lemon. Now, this is calls for a lime, whole lime, but I don't have a whole lime, so I'm just going to use the lemon, okay? Okay. Now if you have like some lemon juice, you can use that. I just like to use the real lemon or the real lime or whatever the case may be. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and mix this up. up in here, up in here. Okay. Like I said, if you want to put your onions and stuff in yours, you can. But I'm not going to mix mine in here because a lot of people don't eat onions in my family. So I will put it on mine. Okay. So Pico de gallo. That's how that looks. Alright. So now we're gonna go over there to the stove and we're gonna cook up this meat. And then we'll be back. See you guys over there in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. We're gonna put a little olive oil in here. I got this on like medium low. Take our chicken breast. I'm not chicken thighs, that's a breast. Let it sit out in room temperature for about good half an hour, 45 minutes. Okay guys, we're just gonna let this cook about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. And then we're gonna let that chicken rest again. And then we're gonna chop it up. Alright, so we can make our best ever chicken Chipotle Burrito wrap at home. No doubt about it. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I just flipped it like 3 minutes into it. I'm gonna cook it on that side. And when I get done, I'm gonna let it rest. And then I'm gonna go ahead and chop it up and show you guys how to put this stuff together. In small little pieces, okay? See you guys in a minute. Much love. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and start chopping this up. So for some people that don't know what I'm talking about, you know, I just wanted you to see me chopping it. That's all I'm doing, just chopping. You want to let it rest for that juice can soak back into the meat. But since you're using chicken thighs, it don't dry out as much. Chipotle, or chicken Chipotle Burrito chicken wrap. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and put this stuff in this bowl over here. And I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, let's go ahead and put this stuff together. Damn bell in my way. Alright, one of these large tortilla shells, put that on there. And with my rice, probably like 2 spoons of that. That over my chicken, like so. Come with the beans. Take you some of these beans, do some of that on there. About like a tablespoon. All right. Cheese. Well, actually, we come with this Pico de gallo. It was like 2 scoops of that. That's like 2 tablespoons. We'll cover this cheese. Okay, guys. Get this out the way. Now you come like this with it. Come like this. Like this. And make sure these sides tucked. Roll them up like that. Go ahead and tuck this in. Just like that, guys. Okay. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put this to the side. Do one more for you guys, and then we're gonna take this over to the stove and hook it up. There's no right or wrong way of putting this together though. Right. Chicken. Pico. Put the beans or the pico, however you want to do it. Like this. Done with the cheese and then the beans, however you want to do it, guys. This is your chicken chipotle burrito burrito wrap. Take you some beans, put that on there. Alright. Fold that up. Bring this up in here. Like so. Get your ingredients in there. Make sure that's folded in there. Roll. Simple as that, guys. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and finish these up, and I'll see you guys over there at the stove in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. I'm over here at the stove. We're gonna cook this on really low. All we doing is filling it. That's all we doing. Probably do 2 of them at a time. Just like so. We're gonna cook it on each side for probably about 2 or 3 minutes on medium low. Alright, see you guys when that gets ready in a minute. Okay guys, I'm finally back with this chicken chipotle burrito chicken wrap. Alright, this is how it looks in the inside, just like so. Now, if you want to put some sour cream and all that good stuff in there, you can. But I'm not going to do all that. You know what I'm saying? So, but that's how it looks. Here's some yum sauce if you want to use that. If you want to make your own chipotle sauce, all you need is some mayo, some little lemon juice, a touch of salt, and some chipotle seasoning. Okay? And you just mix it up. And that's how you make your chipotle sauce. Alright? So, yeah, that's how that looks. Show you good picture of all these. Yep, I end up making 6 of these bad boys, and it turned out pretty good. Saying that to say this, guys, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that bell for me. Hit the bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. And much love to you guys. And I'm out of here. Let's eat.